Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, man. So, if you already follow me on Instagram or Twitter, I got these Nike Dunk Lows, only GS sizes, no women's, no men's. Talking about these velvet Nike Dunk Lows. I had to drive all the way to Louisville for this size and plus another mall, but it was nearby from my city. So I was like, okay, cool. But I had to drive like an hour and a half, and I had to drive a whole 2 hours back. But I did say I was gonna bring a lot of different shoes to the channel, so I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get both shots. But the other side's gone. Already sold that size already, but I do have another size in hand. So I brought it back to the house. I want to do it with a car. I want to bring it back to the house for y'all. Know what I'm saying? So if you already didn't, make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new. Also follow me on all platforms down below. Like I said, I posted the shoe already, so go ahead and check that on my pages. All that good stuff, man. But not further ado, let's go and get to the video, man. So like I said today, talking about these Nike Dunk Low Velvet GS only. They came out today on the Footlocker app. You know what I'm saying? I hit on the app. I found out yesterday. I hit on 2 6.5s, but I almost had a third 6.5 on the kids Footlocker, but they was on the wait list. Of course, somebody picked up a Nike Dunk. Like I said, you on the wait list, 9 times out of 10, slow. Sometimes you get lucky. Sometimes you get a little slim lucky that you win, but I didn't get lucky at all that time. So, but like I said, got this shoe. I hit on the Champs app. I ain't hit nothing on Footlocker at all, but I hit on the Champs app. 2 6.5, man. So this shoe, in my personal opinion, is super dope. Like I said to my fellas out there, if you listening, if you're watching, if you're listening, ladies too, this would be another great shoe for you to have for, you know what I'm saying, Christmas coming up, holidays. Why not? So I had another video with the pink. I forgot the name of the Nike Dunk Low I had. It was a women's. I had that video. That video actually doing real good. Go ahead and check that out. You know what I'm saying? It's a Nike Dunk Low. It's a pink. I forgot the exact name. Oh, it's called Pink Foam. I think it is. It's like a light pink or something like that. It's like an actual pink. I did a video on that one. That video actually, like I said, doing really good. I appreciate y'all for sure showing love on that video as well. But that video blew up because, like I said, from my city, nobody have them. They super rare to find, super hard to get your hands on. One place to get that shoe, and then there, this shoe too is gonna be GOAT or StockX. So in case y'all wonder where I got this shoe from, hit on the Champs app. But your best bet to get it on GOAT or StockX, because normally like a pink colorway, it's always a good thing to grab, get your hands on, especially if you're gonna resell it, or just looking out for, you know what I'm saying, your female friend, your girlfriend, your wife, or your daughter, whatever. It's a great shoe to give to them as a gift as well, because what female don't like pink? Like, I'm being for real. Like, what female don't like pink for real? Like, let me know. Comment down below, let me know, man, if I'm right or wrong. Like, for real. Like, these shoes I've been grabbing for the women and the kids. Like, there's some good shoes for the fellas, you know what I'm saying? Or a little gift for your girlfriend or the female that want the shoe. Show her this video, you know what I'm saying? But when you show this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, though. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. But I did too much talking about the shoe. Like I said, make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. But let's go and get that shoe out, man. Let's get to it. Oh, snap. Coming in crazy. Like I said, got this from Champs. Boom, or you can call it, of course, East Bay. You know what I'm saying? That bad boy joined out. 6.5, like I said beforehand. And it says Nike Dunk Low GS, pink glaze white, 6.5, and retail for $95. I ain't a lot of price on these. Bigger size is going for like 200, or the smaller size is going for like 150 to 175 ish. So, like I said, it's be a good gift for, you know what I'm saying, for a female. Here they go, man. The Nike Dunk Low velvet joints, man. That's my favorite detail of the shoe. This velvet part right here with the Nike is velvet material. If y'all can see that closely, that's my favorite part of the shoe. I wish they had a little bit. If they had on this like this Nike check, oh my goodness, it would have been crazy for sure. Most definitely. I'm gonna get the other shoe out. It doesn't come with any sets of laces or anything like that. I wish they did. And this shoe didn't like a Valentine's Day shoe, in my opinion, too. Like, gives me that Valentine's Day type of vibe. So, put the shoe to the side, But here they go, man. The Nike Dunk Low velvet joints, man. Like I said, comment down below. Let me know, man, if y'all liking these joints. You gonna pass, or you like, closer up so y'all can see the color. Like I said, it's a pink glaze, so it's not like an actual pink, like a bright pink. It's like more like a glaze type of pink. I like it a lot though. This is my favorite part, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, this velvet on the back of the heel. I love that detail, man. I love that detail. It's my favorite part of this shoe for sure. But let's go and talk about the shoe, man. Yeah, outsole, you got your dark, like a dark grayish pink outsole. You see a little speckles, like a little black little speckles on the outsole. Of course, in the middle you got your Nike logo. Toe box, nothing too special. Your standardized, you know what I'm saying, Nike Dunk leather. You know what I'm saying, got your white toe box with the leather. Got pink glaze around the toe. You got your white midsole on the white side panel. Like a pink Nike check on the side. Velvet, you got your red Nike stitched in. And on the inside, you got your pink Nike logo laces. You got your pink thin laces stitched in Nike logo. I'm about to say overall the shoe, like I said, if you're getting it for your girl or something like that, that's definitely be a good shoe to have. But I think the other shoe does look better than these. But either way it goes, you can have either one. It's just that detail. I wish they had a more velvet on the shoe. Just a little bit more velvet. Like I said, I would put on just like this Nike check. Oh my goodness, with the red stitching. Ooh, I would have did it on these. But here go close up video of the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, hit on Champs app. They went on the sneakers app or anything like that. I hit on the Champs app on the raffle. I didn't hit on Footlocker. I did hit on Champs for 2 6.5s. Both of them gone. This gone too. So in case y'all like how I get that size, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. But overall, the shoe, I'll definitely get like a solid 8 out of 10. Come with sets of different laces as well. But that's my personal opinion. Comment down below, man. Let me know y'all liking these joints. You like, I'm cool. Let your boy know down below, man. And also, today's the day they're gonna let you know if you want to retro 12 royalty joints, man. So be on the lookout for that video tomorrow. I can't wait. Hopefully y'all win y'all raffles, man. But that's it for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Follow your boy on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. Also, before I end this video, size around these joints, always go a half size up in Nike Dunks, in my personal opinion. I always go true to size in mine because I got narrow feet. But normally I always tell people that buying shoes from me or anything like that, and Nike Dunks period, I always go a half size up because certain people don't like their shoes feel a little snug. Me, I don't mind at all because I don't even tie my shoes at all one bit. So in case y'all wondering like what sizes should you get, and these not women's. So if you wear an 8 in women's, you can fit this 6.5. So if you need like a 9 in women's, that equates to a 7.5. They don't come in 7.5 in kids. The biggest size in kids will be a 7. So you're gonna need that 8.5 in women's. Could make down to a 7. So this is the biggest size that come in is a size 7. But I got a 6.5 right here. So in case y'all didn't know the difference, you know, like which one. But always go a half size up. Always go a half size up in Nike Dunk lows, period, point blank for sure. But like I said, man, like and subscribe if you're new. Appreciate y'all showing love, support as always. Y'all have a blessed one. Catch y'all another video, man. Gerald1 is out. Peace.